discuss about the molecular basis of inheritance. First of all, I will discuss about the search of genetic material. So, and he named it nuclein. After further research by different scientists, and they found that nuclein was made up of phosphorus containing compounds, and it have the acidic behavior, so it named for the nucleic acid. After that, another scientist, which was named Frederick Griffith in 1928, given a very well principle that is known as transforming principle. Griffith was worked on a bacteria which was named Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae have two strains. First strain are smooth in nature, which was capsulated and virulent in nature. That means the Streptococcus pneumonia, which are smooth in nature, responsible for pneumonia disease, while rough bacteria are non-capsulated and these bacteria are avirulent. That means this bacteria are not responsible for causing the pneumonia disease. Steps of transforming principle. The first step which was performed by the Griffith is he firstly introduced live R strain bacteria injected into mice, and he observed that mice survived because these mice not suffering from pneumonia disease. In second step, live S strain bacteria injected into mice, and he observed that mice was died due to pneumonia disease. In third step, heat killed S strain bacteria was injected into mice, and he observed that mice survived. That means after heat killing, this S strain which are virulent in nature converted into non-virulent in nature. That is R strain type. After that, in fourth step, heat killed S strain mixed with live R strain, and this mixture injected into mice, and he observed that mice died. This observation by the Griffith, he described that heat kill S strain have a substance which changed the non-virulent R bacteria into S type of bacteria, which responsible for the disease. So here Griffith given the live R strain converted into S strain. That means the R strain transform into S strain, which is responsible for the pneumonia. And he concluded that the transforming principle means non-virulent bacteria, that is the R, converted into virulent bacteria, that is the S. But Griffith not totally described about the which substance responsible for the